Hey everyone, welcome back. It's great to see you all here again. Today I'm tackling a super important and sometimes overlooked topic: vaginal health. This is something every woman should be aware of and take seriously. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or beyond, maintaining vaginal health is crucial for overall well-being. It's not just about avoiding infections, it's about feeling comfortable and confident in your own body. So let's dive into some top tips to keep things healthy down there. First up, hygiene. Proper hygiene is the foundation of good vaginal health. It's really important to keep the vaginal area clean, but remember, less is more. Overwashing can actually do more harm than good. Avoid using harsh soaps or douches. These products can strip away the natural oils and bacteria that protect your vagina. These can disrupt the natural pH balance and lead to irritation or infections. Instead, opt for products that are specifically designed for sensitive skin. Stick to gentle, unscented soap and warm water. This simple routine is usually all you need to stay fresh and clean. Next, let's talk about underwear. The type of underwear you choose can have a big impact on your vaginal health. Cotton is your best friend. It's breathable and allows air to circulate, which helps keep moisture at bay. It's breathable and helps keep moisture at bay, which reduces the risk of infections. Make sure to change your underwear daily and wash them with a gentle detergent. Also, try to avoid wearing tight clothing for long periods. Tight clothes can trap moisture and heat, creating an environment where bacteria can thrive. Give your body some room to breathe. Opt for loose-fitting clothes whenever possible, especially when you're at home or sleeping. Hydration is key, not just for your skin, but for your vaginal health too. Drinking enough water helps your body maintain its natural balance. Drinking plenty of water helps maintain a healthy vaginal mucosa. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep everything functioning smoothly. So keep that water bottle handy. All right, now on to diet. What you eat can have a direct impact on your vaginal health. Eating a balanced diet rich in probiotics can do wonders. Probiotics help maintain the balance of good bacteria in your body. Yogurt, kefir, and other fermented foods help maintain the balance of good bacteria in your body, including your vagina. These foods can help prevent infections and keep your vaginal flora healthy. It's also beneficial to include fruits and vegetables high in vitamin C and antioxidants. These nutrients support your immune system and overall health. Regular checkups with your gynecologist are crucial. These visits are an opportunity to catch any potential issues early. Don't skip those annual visits. Your gynecologist can provide valuable insights and advice tailored to your specific needs. They can help catch any issues early on before they become bigger problems. Early detection is key to effective treatment. Plus, your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your health needs. Don't hesitate to ask questions and discuss any concerns you may have. Safe sex practices are another key component. Using protection is essential to prevent sexually transmitted infections. Always use protection to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections. Condoms are a reliable method to protect both you and your partner. And don't forget to communicate with your partner about any concerns. Open communication is vital for a healthy sexual relationship. Finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to any changes or symptoms that seem unusual. If something feels off, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. It's always better to be safe and get things checked out. Rather than ignoring symptoms. Early intervention can prevent more serious issues down the line. So there you have it. Simple but effective tips to maintain your vaginal health. These small steps can make a big difference. Simple but effective tips to maintain your vaginal health. Remember, taking care of your body is a form of self-love. Prioritize your health and well-being every day. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Your support means a lot to us. Take care and stay healthy. See you in the next video.